So this is for the Forex trading lovers. This is out for you to join my trading group where we will be looking at making $50 to $100 trading Forex on MT5 with Exness.
Income streams, they start to flow. From determination, they grow.
Welcome back. Now, this video goes for my friends and colleagues who want to trade, and then you talk about the capital that you need to trade and the fact that you need a lot of capital to trade. And I have always said that it is not all the trading platforms that you need a lot of capital to trade. So this is for those who love to trade Forex, okay, on MT5, that's Meta 5. Sorry. You want to trade Forex on Meta 5 and you want to trade with as little as between $100 to maybe $500. If you want to make, let me see, excuse me, I don't know where this cough is coming from. But if you want to trade with small capital, where you want to target making between, let's say, $20 to $50 a day using Exness and MT5. Okay, so Exness, the broker Exness, I have Exness on my link. I trade on Exness Monday to Friday. And if you're trading currencies, you know that with currencies you trade from when you start, the market opens on Monday, then you trade all the way to Friday evening where the market closes. So it runs overnight. It's not like stocks that by 8 p.m. it is closed. You can trade from Monday through to Friday, right, all the time, right? So for this, for those who are Forex trading lovers, you want to take advantage and you want to get some capital, you want to get about, if you want to make more, right? If you want to make more, because if your capital is small, you may not be able to enter several positions, okay? And that is why I talk about between $200 to $500. But if you want to enter and just make, let's say you want to start with $100 where you want to gather like $5 a day or $5 to $10 a day, that is also fine. But if you are somebody who wants it big, you want it big like me, then you want to look at between 200 to 500, okay? 200 to 500. With that, we can grow it like 2 months to grow it to about $1,000, where you can be looking at $50 to $100 a day trading on what do you call that? MT5 with Exness, right? I have always said in my videos that I can only talk about things that I have done and then I know how it works. I can't talk about things that I don't know how they work. So I have traded with Exness. I trade every day with the broker Exness. So if you are somebody who is a Forex trading lover and you want to trade with me, already my trading group is there where you can click and come inside, where we can trade together on Exness, on MT5. That place you don't need a lot of capital to trade. You just need some small dollars and then you can be on your way to trading. This is the second stream of income that you can add to your streams of incomes. Remember, I came up with the Amazon influencer program and I have spoken extensively about it. And if you have not listened to it, you need to click. I will link that video to this description where you can click and then you can go and then watch all the series. I have 4 series on here, 4 series on Amazon alone, where you could be making passive income. Right, so this is the second stream of income for those who are on TikTok. You need to click and get on that video, get to that video on YouTube where you can watch. And for those who are here on Facebook, I think you already have the link right here that you can watch. You click and then watch all the series on the Amazon influencer program, okay? And so this is the second stream of income where we are trading on MT5, where we can equally trade stocks on MT5. We can trade Apple on MT5. We can trade Microsoft on MT5. We can name the stocks. Right, we can trade that on MT5. We can trade currency pairs on MT5 and Exness. Okay, remember, I stress on the broker, that is Exness. And Exness is, my link is there, where you trade, you make your money, you can take it straight to the bank or bring it to your Momo. And it is fast. Exness is credible. So I can recommend Exness to you. And of course, that is where I trade. Okay, apart from my other trading platform, Interactive Brokers, where you need a lot of money to trade, Exness you can trade with small capital. Right, so you would want to click and join my trading group, where I have training for people who want to learn how to trade. And then you can also click the link to be part of my YouTube channel family, okay, where we learn so many things and then discover so many ways that we can make money and then invest towards our retiring rich and retiring young. Remember, I said we don't want to retire rich but old. We want to retire rich and retire young. You understand? And we want to also retire early. Okay, so you don't want to miss it. You just want to be part of my family, and then let's rock and let's roll together.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right, from the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step, every fall a future pep. No experience, just a heart, that's the way you got to start.